Hello and welcome back to Friday Minis. Today, let's take a look at a simple little trick that could make your web browsing life a little bit easier. Now, a lot of the time when we're looking at particular web pages, chances are one of the things we do is we do a search. That search comes out with many pages of results, and we basically have to click our way through all the pages, perhaps to get where we want to go. Of course, different sites do this differently. Some sites make it easier by allowing you to actually directly jump to a page, but certain sites don't do that. So today, we're going to take a look at a simple trick that you can use to jump to a particular page, even if the site doesn't let you do it. Of course, I can't guarantee that this trick works on every single site out there, but it seems to be pretty applicable to a lot of sites. What you're seeing here is basically the Steam catalog of games. I was accessing this during the start of the holiday season, so that was actually sometime in December. Being a cheapskate, I decided to order all the games by the lowest price first. Then I realized that, all the really cheapest games, those under $1, tend not to be very great. So I thought, okay, I'll try to jump ahead perhaps to the $5 mark and start looking around from that point onwards. Well, as it turns out, Steam has a whole lot of games that, cost just a few dollars. So I'm gonna have to skip many pages ahead to get to the page that has all the $5 entries. I couldn't find anything to help me jump forward to that point, so instead, I turned to the URL bar. As it turns out, what page you want to view is actually specified as a parameter within the URL. And what this means is, if I tweak the value in the URL, well, I can actually point my browser to any particular page in that particular search. So basically, that's a trick. For a lot of web services, when you're browsing through something that has multiple pages, look in the URL bar. Chances are, the page is specified as a parameter. So if you want to jump ahead, go ahead and tweak the value there. Now, certain websites have a slight difference, which we're going to cover as well. For example, these particular forums show 10 items per page, and what is shown in the URL bar is not a count of the number of pages, but a count in the number of items. So to jump to the second page, the value you want to specify is 10, and that simply specifies that the page you are viewing starts from the 10th item. So yeah, that's how you do it. Just a simple little trick for you to browse pages within a search, quicker than using the buttons. That's all there is for this episode. I hope you learned something today, but until next time, you're watching 0612 TV. Hello, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget I appreciate every like, favorite and comment you give me. If you'd like to see more from me in the future, don't forget to subscribe. For more updates outside of YouTube, do follow my official Twitter account at 0612 TV. And if you'd like to see more of my work, you can also check out my About Me page. Once again, thank you very much for watching, and until next time, you're watching 0612 TV.